Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, my name is Atta and today's topic is about agentic AI. While traditional AI follows predetermined paths, agentic AI demonstrates autonomous decision-making capabilities and goal-oriented behavior. It can understand the objective, formulate strategies, and take independent actions while adapting to changes. Agentic AI is transforming how businesses approach automation, decision-making, and problem-solving. By delegating tasks to AI agents, business can focus on strategic initiative, problem solving, customer relationship. What are the key characteristics of agentic AI? Goal-oriented agentic AI systems are designed with specific objectives in mind. These goals can range from simple tasks like scheduling meetings or sorting emails to more complex objectives such as optimizing supply chains or managing financial portfolio. AI agent continuously monitors the environment and takes action to achieve its designated goals. Autonomous decision making agentic AI can make decisions without human intervention. This autonomy is based on the understanding of environment. It is assigned to goal and its learned experience. AI agent can analyze data, assets, risk, and the choose best course of action to achieve its objective. Adaptive learning agent AI systems can learn from their interactions and improve their performance over time. As they encounter new situations and receive feedback, they refine the decision-making processes and become more adept at achieving their goals. This ability to learn and adapt is critical for operating system dynamic and critical information. Agentic AI can anticipate potential problems and can predict steps to prevent them. By analyzing data and identify patterns, AI agents can foresee challenge and correct action before they succeed. The capability is particularly valued in risk management and resource allocation and operational efficiency. Increase efficiency and productivity by automating repetitive tasks and optimizing workflows. Agent AI can significantly enhance operational efficiency and productivity. This business to streamline their operation, reduce cost and accelerate output. Improve decision making. Agentic AI can analyze vast amount of data and provide insight that inform better decision making. By identifying better trends, patterns and anomalies, agent AI can help business make more strategies, choices, mitigate risk, and capitalize opportunities. Enhance customer experience. Agent AI can personalize customer interaction and provide tailored solutions.